is Davido featuring Mayakon from Lagos, Nigeria. What's up Africa, Lagos, Nigeria, Tanzania, Dar es Salaam, Kigali, Rwanda, Kampala, Uganda. We may call this video innovative video because it includes martial arts scenes. It seems like Davido and Mayakon, they shoot this video in China. In this video, there are two my girls sitting in Shaolin's position with no hair at their heads, and Mayakon holding two swords on his back. We may ask ourselves why Davido made this visual like this. Is it because he is going to attract the Chinese audience? The answer is yes, because in this video there are too many howls with Chinese style and there are fighters making Tai Chi in the script. In this video, there is a scene showing Davido as a fighter wearing a hat with a Chinese style during the night, surrounded by people dancing but with martial arts. This video is released on Thursday 5 p.m. on Davido's YouTube channel account, and I recommend you to go on YouTube and search The Best by Davido featuring Mayakon and enjoy this blissful, amazing video trending worldwide in Africa, Lagos, and outside of Africa, especially in China, because this video it includes Chinese culture. And remember to subscribe at OGTV Show YouTube channel to get our latest updates in music, fashion, best documentary deliveries, and other news updates. I'm Blaze, this is OGTV Show, the home of showbiz news in Rwanda, Africa, Lagos, Nigeria, Cameroon, South Africa, Uganda, Tanzania, DRC, and out of Africa. OGTV Show. Big congrats to Davido and Mayakon from DMW, Lagos, Nigeria.
Young Breezy, Nasa, the money is talking. TAM Entertainment.